Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and today we're going to take a look at a couple monitors. We're going to open up a couple different monitors. We're going to open up a Dell 24-inch and then a Philips 24-inch. So here's the Philips. So we'll come down here and grab one of these on the end. So we'll take a look at that one, and then we'll come down here. Grab a Dell on the end here. We'll just open them up and take a look at them. My computer over here. And we'll just make a comparison of the two. They both work fine. There's nothing wrong with either monitor. There's slight differences. Obviously a different company, but in the back of it, there's slight differences, but nothing that all that's cataclysmic. Here, I'll show you these set up here, if we can. Here we go. So these are two Philips monitors right here. Those are 24-inch, and then here's a Dell right here. So we'll open up those bad boys, and we'll take a look, and we'll compare. Boys over here. Let's start with the Dell here. And we'll take a look at it and see what's inside. So, got this here cable. I'm not sure exactly what the hell you call it. It's a USB connection with this, and I don't know what you call it. Instructions. You got your base. Okay, just screw your base right in there. You always should screw your base. That's what I say. Screw your base. Isn't that what politicians do? They usually screw their base, right? And everybody else. All right, let's get this out of the way. All right, this is a D cable. It's a video cable that you get in there. This one, I think you can hook up. You can use your mouse and your keyboard off your monitor. I don't ever do that. So, and power cord is most helpful. It allows to provide power. And then you get this thing. You can use it like as a utensil tray and put it in your drawer in your kitchen. You can put like your spatulas in there, and then some smaller pans and dishes and stuff like that. So, all right. And then that's basically the unit. And it just pops in like this. And then it turns this way. So that you can put in your power cord. Alright, so power cord like so. And what we got back here is an HDMI. It doesn't come with an HDMI cable that I see, but HDMI cables are pretty cheap these days. Inexpensive, I should say. VGA, I don't know who the hell uses that anymore, but it's there if you need it. And then this is what I was talking about as far as this is concerned. You can just put this in here, and there's USB ports here if you want to hook up your keyboard and your mouse if you really need to. I have a docking station here, so it's not necessary. And normally both computers have those type of ports, but if you need them, they're there for you. They're active. They work. All right, so that is the Dell. Let's get the Dell out of here. All right. That comes with all this stuff. All right, let's take a look at the Philips. Oh, my Lord. Philips has more packaging, which is kind of a pain in the rumpus. So styrofoam. As you can tell, a little harder to get out. All right, there's the base. Take that out. And with this, there's your D cable, there's your video cable. It does come with an HDMI. You got your power cord, and you got this what's it? Just like before, which the one that I didn't know what it was called. This bad boy. This out. So put that into there. If I can line it up correctly, that is. All right, and you just screw it up. Well, this you gotta kind of twirl it to get to that. So this is kind of more of a round base to it. I'll show you the Dell in comparison. I don't necessarily like the round base, but you know, it's all personal preference, right? And then you just turn it around and lock it in. All right, so there's the round base. That's the Phillips. And then you got kind of more of the square base. That's the Dell. Kind of like my preference is more towards the square. I mean, it's got like this little area here. I guess you can put stuff in there. I don't know, Post-its or a stapler. I don't really know what you would put in there, but it's got that area if you need it. It's got a lot of styrofoam. If you're a Star Wars fan and you want to recreate the planet Hoth, you can use styrofoam and mold it into the planet Hoth and put your action figures in there. It's great for the kids. All right. Phillips doesn't skimp on their packaging, that's for sure. All right, so this is a little different. Let's see if I can show you. There's your VGA. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm not 100% sure what that is, to tell you the truth. So you got your HDMI, you got your D cable, you got your power cable right here, and you got a switch, an on and off switch, which is kind of weird. I don't know. Dell doesn't have that. Dell doesn't have the on and off switch, so I don't know if that's something you enjoy and you would like. And there's that. And there's the Dell. So you kind of got to make a comparison. Dell, Philips. And then with the Philips, there's a button back here. Just hit the button. Turn off. It's back on. And then you can twirl it to put your cords in there. And then for here, there's a button back here as well. Just hit the button. Oop. Comes right out like that. Right. I'll show you here. So, I mean, as far as quality, as far as monitor quality, visual quality, they're both the same. There's really no difference. It's mostly like everything else I've showed on this channel. It's mostly aesthetics. I really don't know what this freaking port is. So I'm gonna wrap these back up and put them back on the shelf. That's probably gonna be the hardest part. And we'll go put these back. So, gals and guys, I hope this was helpful. Just take a look at a couple monitors. Again, it's not really function. It's more looks, more aesthetics. And if this helped you,
please subscribe to the channel if you could. Please like if you like, share if you know someone that's looking for some monitors, and hit that bell for updates. And I will catch you later. I appreciate you as always, and bye-bye.